Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm really enjoying living the retired life here by the river in Chiang Mai, but burning season is starting up north, so I'm going to try and escape the smoke and head south through Bangkok to Thailand's beautiful beaches. So the journey continues. This is 52 weeks. The mission today is to sort out some ongoing travel arrangements, which is a little bit tricky because I haven't decided exactly where I'm going yet. So, it'll be a big adventure. I'm going to head into Mo Chit Bus Terminal and see what's available, and hopefully make a decision today and not be indecisive. And if we get a chance, we might hop over to Chatuchak market, which is a huge weekend market in Bangkok. So we'll see how the day's going, and if we've got time we'll head over there as well. But the first stop is to get onto the SkyTrain.
Attention please, the next train is for National Station. Passengers please queue up in the green zone. ทางเราจะเพิ่มเติมและจัดสิ่งในสถานีโดยบริเวณการ Chit S513 หรือสอบถาม
Okay, we got off at the SkyTrain Mo Chit BTS station. Most of these people are heading to the Chatuchak weekend market. I'm trying to find the Mo Chit bus stop. Google Maps wasn't that helpful. It's a little bit confusing, but we'll see how we go. That's the outside wall of Chatuchak market, so that'll be easy to find if we decide to go there. But for the moment, I think we are heading up along here. Time will tell, I guess. It's turning out to be a little bit of a walk, but I'm past the confusing part on the map, so I think I'm going in the right direction. Sounds very philosophical, doesn't it? Oh, philosophical. Adds a few more syllables than I first used. Yeah, so I think I'm going in the right direction, and hopefully we'll be there soonish. I found it. It wasn't that difficult to find once I realized that I was looking on how to drive here on Google Maps rather than how to walk. So that's why it was a bit confusing. But I'm here. However, most of the buses on the timetable here seem to be going north, and I can't see place to buy tickets yet, so let's see what happens. It's a pretty big bus station, so I hope you might be wandering around for a while. The good news is I did find the place where they were selling tickets, and I can get a ticket to Trat, so that's where I'm going to go. Go to Trat first, and then probably from Trat to Koh Chang, but we'll see what happens. The bad news is I forgot to bring my passport with me, so they couldn't sell me a ticket. So I'll have to come back and get it maybe tomorrow. Okay, so rookie mistake. Anyhow, I'm going to head back to Chatuchak market and get some lunch, I think. There were some little roadside restaurants just outside of Chatuchak. Might go there, grab something to eat, have a bit of a wander in Chatuchak, and play it from here by there. The funny thing is, last night, just before I went to bed, I said to myself, I must remember to take my passport with me tomorrow, because I'll probably need it. Oh well. At least I know how to get there now. I've never been there before, so I know how to get to that one. There's another bus terminal somewhere else in the city, which maybe sometime in my life I'll have to find, but not today. Yeah, so I'm just heading back to Chatuchak now and grab something to eat, have a wander in the market, and then see how I feel after that. Alright, looks like I should be able to get something to my liking along here. So maybe it looks good. I have ordered Pat Mogrob, which is crispy pork stir-fried with kale, and that will come with some rice. There's various condiments on the table to add, and there's some salads as well. So sounds like a pretty good lunch to me. That looks pretty good to me. It is good, and the pork is crispy. A little bit of a spicy kick to it, not too much, just enough. Alright, I'm going to hook into this, and then after lunch have a bit of a wander in Chatuchak market. I did an extensive video of here a little while back, so for those of you who are interested in a bigger look at Chatuchak, I'll put the link up here, and it'll also be underneath in all of the summary and stuff like that. There'll be a link to it there. So I'm going to tuck into lunch now. Alright, we are now in the Chatuchak market. This is the section that I really like. It's all the artists and their work. And as you've probably gleaned by now, I have a soft spot for artists. But apart from my favorite section, there is stacks of stuff. This market is absolutely huge, and it has all sorts of things, ranging from, you know, fashions and housewares through all sorts of carved goods. In fact, I suspect if you're looking for it and you can't find it, it doesn't exist. Good place to come and pick up souvenirs, if that's what you're in the market for. Some people even come here and buy a bag, suitcase, fill it up and take it home. But yes, it is a massive market. And whilst I wouldn't shop here every day of my life, it is interesting to visit. Fortunately, today's not overly warm because it can get a little hot in here at times. But the best thing to do is to find a cool drink, or just find a stall you want to have a browse in that has a fan. Well, that is the Chatuchak weekend market, or a little glimpse of it anyway. I'm just across the road in the Chatuchak Park, which I've walked past a number of times but I've never been in. But I was a bit thirsty, so I grabbed myself a mango smoothie, which I thought I'd just come over to the park and drink. It is a pleasant space and it is very busy. Mostly I think because the weekend market's on and people are coming here as well. Probably a little quieter during the week, but who knows? Maybe it's just a popular park. Alright, that's it for today's adventure in Bangkok. I didn't quite achieve what I set out to do. The ongoing travel is not finalised, but I now know at least I can do it where I thought I can, so it should be easy to sort out from there. Anyhow, I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate your company on the journey. If you've made it all the way to the end here and are not subscribed, you might like to consider doing so by clicking here. Or if you'd just like to see something else I've made, click here. And if you're feeling like a real binge, click here for a playlist. Hope to see you again soon.